like thing for the bedroom on top of the dresser.
Oh, that thing there.
So let's just have a look now.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up?
Hi guys. So today we're carrying you along with us. So you came along with us when we did the basically redecorating of the Airbnb, but now we're doing it for our house. Focusing mainly on the living room, and if I can get some nice pieces for the bedroom as well, that would be awesome. So we're focusing mainly on accessories for now.
And actually this store actually have 50% off. Right, so it's a good opportunity now.
Yes.
You know, we can take advantage of, you know, the sale that they have.
Yeah, up to 50%, not everything.
Right, but the decor items are 50% off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we had to do a voiceover, guys. Guys, when we recorded this section of the video, there was a lot of loud music playing. So of course we're gonna have to mute that out.
We are actually at Dunn's, you know, Reddy's Road, Kingston. All right.
So we'll basically be carrying you through our interaction and so forth.
All right. It's a buzzing day, right? It's on the weekend actually. It's a buzzing day with activity. You know,
Big
a lot
sale.
of big sale, guys. So
They had up to 50% off in some areas or more.
we actually like a lot of what we saw, basically.
Yeah, basically. So for this day, there was actually 50% off our decor items, which was our main focus in this video. I think 30% off furniture, but we were focusing mainly on decor. But we saw some great pieces. We got some stuff that we really liked. So yeah, come with us. It was a really fun day. I'm looking at all the pieces and just deciding together what we were going to do.
Yes.
You know. So actually, we are looking to get some pieces for our living room. Right now, we are focusing on our house. So for a large amount of last year, for the first part of last year, we're focusing on the Airbnb. Then we're focusing on the wedding. So now we're looking to improve our living space, see how we can enhance it. Oh, and guys, you're gonna see me doing a lot of DIYs. Like, I'm getting into the DIY groove, so we'll be bringing that to you as well.
You can find a lot of items, you know, specific items to actually lift your space up.
Yeah.
And with the fact that they're actually having a 50% off sale, it makes things, a lot of the prices will fall more in, you know, a price bracket, a more affordable price bracket.
And we ain't gonna lie, we love to shop at Dunn's when they're having their sales. When Dunn's have sales, we did it.
Yeah, man.
Right? Because I think that we find a great value in it.
Yeah, I mean, this shelf is really nice, right? But again, it's pricey, over like 25,000 plus tax, right? They don't consider this as a decor item. It's more like a furniture, a fixture, or whatever. So it actually have a 30% discount, right? But that wall hanging to the left, we really like it.
Yeah.
Right? That is 50% off. So yeah, we're gonna come back to it.
We really love to look for sales where we can get it.
Yeah.
To see how we can get little pieces that can really uplift our space, as Adrian said.
Yeah, man, that's how we, you know, we love the Black Friday sale and them things there. You know, buy 2 get 1 free and them kind of thing that we go for, to be honest, because them store here, the price them hefty more while. So really what we do is we plan our shopping.
Yeah. So we try to capitalize on sales so that we can reduce the price or spend less. I mean, we have to look for how we can reduce the cost of living in Jamaica, because it's tough. Yeah.
Yep, the price them hefty here.
And there's nothing like spending your money when you feel like you're getting a good deal
value,
for
yeah,
it.
true.
Good value for your money. So getting those discounts, come on, tell me people in the comment section. When you go store and you get good discount, like a 50% discount, you know, feel good in yourself. I know so don't feel good. It feels good just to hear 50% off. Yeah.
Cause like this rack, the cushions are normally what 2,200 plus tax, and then bring it down. So everything on this rack is actually $1,000.
And we actually got we got 2 cushions from this. Is 2? We got 2 or 3 cushions from this rack that we really like for our bedroom. And we got cushions elsewhere.
This wall hanging is actually what, like 65,000 plus tax.
Yeah.
And 50% off. This one is 45,000 plus tax. Alright. Look at this dresser, you know, could I really buy this for you to do your makeup and stuff like that?
Yes, baby. Yeah, baby.
yeah. Yeah, man, so could I really buy this dresser for you for your makeup stuff and stuff like that? Not true?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. How much for it? 128,000 plus tax. It look nice, I'm not gonna lie to you.
I like it.
%30 off furniture, you know?
Yeah.
Wow. 30% off furniture. So all the cheer them on them thing then. 45,000. That whole set here. It feels flimsy though.
45?
It's expensive. It's a 33. It's a 33. And then you get 30% off. $45,000 for one, you know. One of them chairs. This is nice though. Yeah. Oh, some more lamp here.
I'll be there, so.
Oh, go on.
You'll be there everywhere you go?
Not really everywhere, but a good vlogging moment this. Buy me something, no?
Hold on, you're vlogging?
Yeah, buy me something.
On YouTube channel.
I'm saying. We're almost done the budget though.
Yeah?
You're one of the first people who wants to when it's done. Yeah, man, because you're like, so I don't get the professional. And I was like,
She just done tile with it.
You can tile?
She learn how to do it too.
Oh, you did it yourself?
What?
I think I took a picture.
Oh my gosh.
We just installed the mirror.
You're the DIY queen.
I want to do that. Turn up the screen, turn up the screen, turn up the brightness on the screen. No.
So yeah, I just cut all
Zoom
the
out.
time.
Hold on there. You do this.
All of this.
Alright.
And I inserted the mirror, dig out air. Myself helped me dig out air.
OMG, yo.
Install the tub. Oh, you saw the videos of me installing the tub and you're like, so hold on, she can't make cement. And I was like, what time you know?
Actually installed it
Yeah.
yourself?
Yeah.
But you have like prior experience, like people know what they do it before.
No.
Like, you just get up and say you want to do your bathroom yourself?
Yeah.
Another say,
Let's see how we do.
just.
She have the grinder. I see how with the grinder and I cut out the tub, you know.
I'm so proud of you. I am though.
It's not that hard. You can do it too. It's really not that hard.
I mean, I think that I want to make like a centerpiece for the living room. And I'm like, yeah, I want to actually do a DIY, but you actually made a bathroom for yourself. Like,
Jano.
You get that dark brownish color, and when you even burn them, because they've been soaking in salt water, it gives off that aquamarine teal color when you burn it. So you can center that all around the whole thing. Maybe get some seashells, have it like a beachy type of
type
feel.
of vibe, yeah. True. And I have seashells. Yeah.
There you have an entire themed living room.
Yeah. True.
And everything is fine.
DIY Queen, guys.
Yeah.
Hey,
What's the
you
YouTube?
guys- you guys are the
what's
bomb.
the name of your YouTube channel?
She don't want to be like
I hate attention.
She don't want to be like her name.
Trust me.
I'm thinking about it because I'm doing woodwork, cement work, electrical work, plumbing.
Like people would watch.
And you said
like,
before
I
you
would
never
watch.
know nothing about them thing here. Wow.
I'm a marine biologist. That's what I went to school for.
Yeah.
I wish I could look at trade work. And...
That's cool though.
Then,
That is
Oh, I think that's the box you love.
How much is that?
9,009 plus that.
Alright, so over decor items.
Actually, like that. Like the silver right there. So. The thing that you broke, I could put this there, no?
Yeah, how much for that?
Like 3,900.
I know, 50, like what? 30% off those are 50.
50.
Look at this. Look at this.
That's nice. Will it be able to couple over? Does it turn?
You can put it on a dresser.
Another room, not you.
Yeah.
Care home 6-7.
Yeah, some more
Yeah.
monkey.
I don't want a monkey. I don't have bodies for the center table. For the living room.
This nice, you know?
That's the bodies for the living room to put on there's something there. On the
Candle
glass
holder.
table.
Oh.
Could help with the aquatic feel of the place, I think.
Oh.
What about this?
One person on it?
Wait, dip it to
Let me
5.
turn it. 10 grand.
It's like 11 grand, so 50% off this. This can work, you know.
Yeah.
This can work for going on the center table.
Mm-hmm.
That can work. Okay, that works. So we have 2 options now. We have that. That can work for the living room. I will just need one.
Mm-hmm. Alright. It's weighty, you know? Feel it. Weighty. I like this. I like this. Yeah, run it. Alright. Actually, back in this section here, we really like the wall hangings that we're seeing. This one in particular, right? The price, as you can see, is under 19,000. Of course, as you know, them have them 50% discount, right? So we are really torn between this one and this one over on the other side. Yeah, guys. So this is basically the 2 of them, you know, side by side. So tell us, what do you think, guys? Which one you really prefer? Because as well, the one on the left, you can actually use it whether vertical like it is now or horizontal. You can turn it sideways. So the choice is yours how you want to set it up on the wall. But let us know what you think, guys. The one on the left or the one on the right.
You think it would rust? So I can look at this, feel it.
It's a rustic feeling it having us, so I saw it make 6
Yeah,
grand
but-
after tax. After the discount, 6 grand plus tax.
I like it. I do like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I would like it. I would want it. But I'm not worried about it staining. Kind of a shiny thing to probably then decoat it. I'm worried about it rusting. If you put it in the bathroom, like probably it's rusting.
These are really expensive.
I'm gonna want to see something they can wear too. Not see. But these are really nice. I love this. This is really nice. So if I get like something like that, like 2 of them here would be really nice. 2 of them here would be really nice to have.
To put where?
On the dresser.
Oh, okay.
Or we could work
How much
with
is
2
that?
of these.
16,000?
Yeah.
Man.
Or we could work with 2 of these too. No
Ja,
problem with
ja.
this.
How much money that, you know?
I will only shopping for accessories, eh? Guys, I was feeling this end table really hard. Like, it is so cute though, but there's a problem. It is gold, and the center table that we have for our living room is silver. So yeah, it's a no-go. But look at it, it is so cute. Like, I'm just feeling it. Yeah. Look at me still looking. My front top in silver. Look at these chairs.
Yeah, man. These chairs, you know, them proper still, but the price them proper too.
Yeah, price is pretty.
You know, 150,000 plus tax before them discount. You know, but generally speaking, guys, the persons that did the procurement for the store, you know, them have taste. You know, all the pieces, them, you know, them generally piece them nice.
They do have nice pieces,
you know,
and that's why we keep going back.
Yeah, and again, as we say, I tell us if you buy everything, you know, you cannot select a few items just to make the space that much more appealing.
Yeah.
You understand? Make the space nicer. So you buy a nice little accent chair and a little ottoman to match. You know?
And it really beefs up your space, you know. So that was what we were going for. Just getting small pieces that can enhance our space, make it more homely, make it you know, more expressive of who we are.
Yeah, man. Okay. Hey guys. Yeah, man. So we're through now.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, so yeah, man, if you like the video, please hit the like button.
Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every single time we do a video.
Alright guys, thank you.